772, let's fucking go. Okay, so in the monkey wrench macros section, we got a whole bunch of goddamn monkey wrench macros that's called not my placemat. Okay, next. Okay, const macros by system. Within the K layout constants, we have 3 chunks of constants. We have the P48 cell to G12, so P48 of value 0 to 11 here. G12 output is 0 to 11 here. And this is for the red channel. Then P48 keeps on going up, right? P48 12 to 23. What's the output G12? Well, it's 0 to 11, once more, right? So same thing for the blue and same thing for the alpha. P48 ends at 47 because 0 to 47 is 48 total placeholder indexes. We're going to do the same exact thing again, but this time it's going to be for GCX output rather than the G12 output. So same exact idea. Here's the red channel, here's the green channel, here's the blue channel, here's the alpha channel, okay? Now we're going to do the exact same thing, but instead of GCX, it's going to be GCY. So once again, for the red channel, for the green channel, for the blue channel, and for the alpha channel. Okay, so now let's go down here to data by system, and within data by system, we have lookup tables. So in the K layout data section, we're going to take all those constants, make a lookup table called P48 to G12, and we're just going to put all the motherfuckers in there, right? Okay, P48 to GCX, put all them motherfuckers in there, right? And then P48 to GCY, put all them motherfuckers in there, right? And then make sure that each one of those lookup tables has 48 elements. Okay, cross-check. We need to cross-check this. So you can pause here to read these because I don't have time. And we're going to loop through every single placeholder index. We're going to get G12, GCX, and GCY using the lookup table, right? And then we're going to compute G16 using this basic formula. But we're also going to get G16 by using the lookup table. And we're going to cross-check them. And they better goddamn be equal. And they are, because I'm not crashing. In Pigtile, in Gen KD7, we have declared these right here, and this was a bug. This needs to be plus plus, not minus minus, and we're just doing this doubly nested loop where we're going to generate all the graphics eventually, and then footnotes and all that bullshit. So if you want a longer explanation, you can go here to Ninja Playlist 8. You're on Kanji Playlist 8. Source code is here, and ways of getting a hold of me. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder. I am totally out of time. Like and subscribe.